Greetings. My name is Tom Horan, and I am Dean of the School of Business. On behalf of the faculty and staff here at the University of Redlands, I'd like to welcome you and congratulate you on taking the first step in advancing your career through a degree from one of Southern California's most respected universities. We have a full program for you, but I'd like to take just a few minutes to share with you what we believe are 5 areas of distinction that set the University of Redlands apart. First, we are a Southern California business school. We have 7 campuses located throughout Southern California. In addition to our Redlands location, we have regional campuses in Burbank, Temecula, Riverside, San Diego, Rancho Cucamonga, and Costa Mesa. These regional campuses put the University of Redlands within reach of where you work, where you live, and where the businesses are that drive our regional economy. Second, we're here to assist you and guide you all along your educational journey. We provide one-stop transcript review and application support. We help ensure that your units are transferred seamlessly into our undergraduate program. And for this reason, we have strong relations with all the community colleges in Southern California. We also have a new innovative pathway to the MBA should you wish to continue beyond your bachelor's degree once you've completed it. A third area of distinction is our reputation for offering high-quality education. There are no 100-seat lecture halls here. Instead, we offer classes with 12 to 15 students. Our classes are highly interactive and give students an opportunity to ask questions and interact with others. But not all learning occurs in the classroom. You'll have an opportunity to participate in consultancy and capstone projects that will help you apply what you've learned in the classroom to real-world settings. You may also want to check out our study abroad program. We've tailored it to meet the needs of working professionals. You'll spend 2 weeks in Europe or Asia, where you'll learn about global businesses and their cultures. We also have a study abroad program, which cruises the Mediterranean Sea while learning about various European countries and companies. I think that's the trip for me. How about for you? A fourth area of distinction is our innovations. We are on the leading edge of today's business market with 2 very prominent initiatives. Our Spatial Business Initiative is a unique alliance between the University of Redlands and ESRI. ESRI is the world's leader in mapping software, headquartered right here in Redlands. Our initiative aims to maximize the understanding and use of geographic information systems, or GIS, by businesses to achieve competitive success. The initiative includes courses, degree concentrations, research, publishing, and working with companies in an advisory capacity. Next, our Purposeful Leadership Initiative addresses the critical role that leaders play in ensuring that organizations deliver value to customers in a manner which is effective, data-driven, meaningful, ethical, and socially responsible. In this program and elsewhere in our school, we stress that there is an arc of leadership, and this arc ranges from self-management to team management to organizational leadership to leadership in society. We're very proud of this new initiative. The 5th area of distinction that I'd like to mention is our vast alumni network. We've been doing business education for over 40 years, and as a consequence, our alumni network has grown to be over 30,000 professionals. This will provide you with a professional network extending throughout Southern California and beyond. We are proud of our graduates who are leaders in business, nonprofit, and in government. You should think of them as an important part of your education here. Well, there you have it, our 5 areas of distinction for you to consider. We look forward to answering any questions you may have as you take the next step in advancing your career potential. So for all of us at the School of Business, thank you for joining us, have fun tonight, and enjoy the rest of your evening.